Hello there and welcome to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. So what you're going to need today is your juggling balls, bean bags, tennis balls, socks, and if you need to go and raid the fruit bowl for 3 oranges, apples, you can go and do that. I promise your secret is safe with me, okay? And I'm going to look at a pattern called the shower, which looks something like this. And you'll notice about it that it's a very narrow pattern. All the throws from your dominant hand, which is my right hand, go to about 2-3 feet above my forehead. And the throws from your non-dominant hand, that's my left hand, are very flat. And they're referred to as pass or as a feed throw. So once again, this is what it looks like. Now breaking that down, you can start with 2 balls and you're going to practice throwing this about the ball in your dominant hand. You're going to throw that, as I said, about 2 to 3 feet above your forehead, and the one in the non-dominant hand will be a flat pass. And when this ball gets close to its peak, somewhere up here, you make the pass throw, the feed. So it looks something like this. Again in slow motion. Now you want to get that super smooth and be able to repeat that and do that pattern with 2 balls without thinking about it before you move on to 3 balls. Now before we start the shower with 3 balls, you need to be able to do a really solid 3-ball cascade and probably a few tricks around it like columns, tennis and a reverse cascade before you try the shower, because the shower is a much faster and more difficult pattern than the 3-ball cascade. So with a 3-ball shower, what you're going to do is you're going to make your first 2 throws with the 2 balls in your dominant hand. So I'm going to throw the blue ball first, followed by the green ball second, and I'm going to just make the pass, the feed, with the purple ball in my non-dominant hand last. And when the blue ball gets too close to its peak, somewhere up here, I'm going to throw the green ball. And as soon as I throw the green ball, I make the pass and the feed with the purple ball. So it looks something like this. This is just a few cycles. And once you can do that really well, you want to try and lower it down, make the pattern a little bit faster. So you start nice and high and then lower it a little bit and a little bit more and a little bit more until it becomes really fast. And you'll probably move these hands even closer together when you make that pass feed throw. Now in juggling, it really does help if you can do patterns with your dominant side on your non-dominant side. So have a practice and see if you can do a nice shower starting on your non-dominant hand like that. So now I'm going to do the shower in slow motion so you can really look at it in detail. If you're practicing the shower and it's a bit too fast for you, or you feel you need a bit more time to sort of practice your cascade, you can do that. But there is another pattern that is sort of a bit faster than the cascade, but it's certainly slower than the shower, and it's called the half shower. And there's 2 differences with the half shower and the shower. The shower is, all the pass and the feed throws are very flat and quick, while with the half shower you're sort of doing a shallow arc that's just above your stomach but just below your chest. And also it's sort of stretched out is the half shower pattern. So these throws, rather than being really narrow and quite high, 2-3 feet above your head, as with the shower, they're a bit they're just sort of stretched out a bit more. This is what the half shower looks like. So that's the shower, and now the half shower. Now you notice those passes, they're just very shallow arcs, and you'll notice the pattern is sort of stretched. It's not as narrow as the shower. And in slow motion, this is what the half shower looks like. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thank you for tuning in and taking the time to watching. And if you've got mates that are into juggling, balloon modelling, magic, make sure that you tell them about my channel. Hit me up with a like, hit that subscribe button. If you're watching on Twitter or Facebook, make sure that you follow me. And until next time, this is goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Bye bye.